Leverage Python and Google Cloud to extract meaningful SEO insights from server log data. For my first post on Search Engine Land, I'll start by quoting Ian Lurie. Log file analysis is a lost art, but it can save your SEO butt. Wise words. However, getting the data we need out of server log files is usually laborious. Gigantic log files require robust data ingestion pipelines, a reliable cloud storage infrastructure, and a solid querying system. Meticulous data modeling is also needed in order to convert cryptic, raw logs data into legible bits, suitable for exploratory data analysis and visualization. In the first post of this two-part series, I will show you how to easily scale your analyses to larger datasets, and extract meaningful SEO insights from your server logs. All of that with just a pinch of Python and a hint of Google Cloud. Here's our detailed plan of action. Number 1, I'll start by giving you a bit of context. What are log files and why they matter? For show how to get hold of them, why Python alone doesn't always cut it when it comes to server log analysis. Number 2, we'll then set things up. Create a Google Cloud Platform account. Create a Google Cloud storage bucket to store our log files. Use the command line to convert our files to a compliant format for querying. Transfer our files to Google Cloud storage, manually and programmatically. Number 3, lastly, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of Pythoning. We will query our log files with BigQuery, inside Colab. Build a data model that makes our raw logs more legible. Create categorical columns that will enhance our analyses further down the line. Filter and export our results to CSV. In part 2 of this series, available later this year, we'll discuss more advanced data modeling techniques in Python to assess bot crawl, volume crawl, budget waste, duplicate URL crawling. I'll also show you how to aggregate and join log data to Search Console data, and create interactive visualizations with Plotly. Excited? Let's get cracking. System requirements. We will use Google Colab in this article. No specific requirements or backward compatibility issues here, as Google Colab sits in the cloud. Downloadable files. The Colab notebook can be accessed here. The log files can be downloaded on GitHub, 4 sample files of 20 megabytes each, spanning 4 days, 1 day per file. Be assured that the notebook has been tested with several million rows at lightning speed and without any hurdles. Preamble: what are log files? While I don't want to babble too much about what log files are, why they can be invaluable for SEO, etc. heck, there are many great articles on the topic already. Here's a bit of context. A server log file records every request made to your web server for content. Every single one. In their rawest forms, logs are. For more on this story, visit the news article link.